Welcome back to the Moto vlog. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. I don't know if you guys could see him with the camera angle. Anyways, we're gonna go meet up with Rory and Dylan. With Rory, yeah, they're up at the Upper Maverick, so we gotta make it there quick. Because otherwise they might lose patience and they might leave. Ha! Let's go! Woo! The 400Z? The heck? I butchered that so badly. But yeah, so we going up there. We gonna meet up with them and we gonna ride. We gonna ride today, everybody. Oh my gosh, why is everybody going so slow? I have a bike, I should split this. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, so many bikers. Oh my gosh, that's the bikers, everybody. Look at the bikers. Where's this guy going? That's what I'm curious about. Where are you going, good sir? Oh, he's weaving the traffic. This is the part of the video where everybody realizes that I'm just a huge Jigsaw fan. Is that another biker up there? Oh my gosh, what is going on? What are you? Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. What? What's that? I've raced the Mercedes Benz. You did? Yeah, that white Mercedes Benz that passed here, I've raced him. I won. Yeah. Kawasaki.
Snapped me like a long fucking time.
That's actually funny. Also, I got new gloves.
Ooh.
Yeah. These are the Alpinestars Chrome. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, they're nice. They're mesh as fuck.
Scratch your carbon.
I did?
Oh, yeah, you didn't leave it. But...
Oh no! Oh no! What am I gonna do? I was going to abuse those gloves. Woo!
Mustang!
That's a Camaro. That's a Camaro. Oh, that's Popo. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, you go away. You go away. I was like, I don't want a ticket today. He just like stops right here to look at my tabs. He just comes up, sniffs. Giving him the side eye.
It's these guys again. Yeah, cops are definitely gonna be coming here soon. Look at it, we got a Volkswagen, an actual Volkswagen popping up. It's Monte Carlo popping up too. You're gonna be on YouTube, bitch. No, YouTube.
It's getting crazy. Like, look at this. Now we've got like security and everything in here.
I don't even know if I follow your YouTube channel.
What the fuck, dude?
Do it right now. Yeah, no.
Bro, what the fuck? Okay, fuck you then.
I miss that bike so much. Goddamn.
Yeah, dude, your bike looks good.
I need my bike back.
Get it back then.
I'm working on it.
Ooh, the FCO7, dude. Look at that. A good few vehicles out now. Yeah, the security started to kick us out, so now everybody's kind of dipping. But this, dude, we got the Evo too. Oh, I'm gonna move out of the way of this Reax. 240. Oh, that Evo's sick. Evo 5. Oh, IS 250. Oh yeah, I met those guys the other day. They were in my this video that's gonna be coming out here pretty soon. Dude, is everybody literally just meeting over here at Brucci's now? They're like, oh, okay, we're getting kicked out. Okay, we're gonna move one parking lot over. What's everybody doing? It doesn't seem like there's anything super cool over here. Oh wait, no, never mind. We got a bunch of old muscle cars. Just kind of take a look-see this way. Ooh, got an old Camaro. Dang, we got a bunch of old cars and trucks. My dude. Oh, they mad, they kicking us out, boy. Oh, look at him. Look at him so pissed off. Yeah, that guy's a dick. We don't like that metro. There's some metro here that are cool, but we don't like that metro. It's like, if you ask us politely to leave, we'll leave. But if you're gonna be a dick about it, yeah, no, I I don't want to talk to you if you're gonna be a dick about it.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Hey, say hi to the. I don't even know how many subscribers I have now. Alright, now we're getting kicked out fully. Alright, well now we're out riding again. It's actually like a really nice night to go for a ride. Hopefully the footage isn't too horrible for you guys. I know that my night footage kind of tends to be a little iffy to say the least. Now I've kind of just been playing around with my settings a little bit, and I might play around with like some of the coloring just to see if maybe I can get a little bit more vibrancy and maybe a bit of brightness. But I know it gets a little bit much for you guys when it comes to just riding at night. Oh. There's Popo there. It doesn't look like it's coming to get us, so that's fine. Just the pops and bangs you can get out of this thing is so insane for what it is. It's like it burns so much fuel, but you know what? It's fun because it makes pop pop sounds. There they are. They pulling up now. Whoa! Did you go down or something? Did you go down? Oh. Huh? Oh, yeah, I saw that. Oh shit. Well, it's good that you didn't go down. I thought he did for a second. I was like, oh shit. My god, neutral shift. Yeah, he went almost to the edge of the road. I don't know if you guys could have seen that on the GoPro or not. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Yeah, I don't know if you guys could have seen that on the GoPro, but yeah, he went really wide, so that makes more sense. Yeah, so now I guess we're just riding out to the view, which is pretty much just my ride to work every day, so I'm basically just going to work, just in the dark. Oh, wait, what are we doing? We're going into the gas station. The gas station. Whee! Oh my god, everybody. What are we doing? Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kicks were fast as a light. Yeah. How am I doing on gas? Oh, I got plenty. Roy, can you hear me through Dylan's mic?
What?
I was trying to see if Roy could hear me through your mic. I have a helmet that can do that now. Oh. Wow, this has really just been kind of just a fun little hangout night. We're just chilling a lot of it, but it was nice to get out and go ride for the little bit that we did. But get that secured. Get the visor secured. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you can see me. I'm drawing a blank. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. God bless all of y'all. Stay safe.